Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool on this one right here, and basically what this is a floor lamp shelf. So you basically get two things in one. You basically get a floor lamp and you guys also get like an organizer shelf. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what's included inside before we actually set it up. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you can see there's a bunch of tools and accessories inside right here. So it probably would be easier for me to just put it down and set it up. So I'm actually bringing it somewhere else to show you guys how to assemble it, and then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so we got the box right here. Let me take everything out and start setting out the product to show you guys how easy it is to set it up. Alright, so what I want to do first is to get the accessory out first. I want to work with letter D, which is right here. You can see it's labeled D. So basically I want to get screw G right here, and then I want to insert the bottom part right here. So that way we can actually attach it onto the leg right here. So basically I want to insert the screw right here onto one of these legs right here. And you want to do the same thing for all four legs. Alright, so I just finished one of them. Now I want to do the same thing for the other three as well. Alright, so once you guys finish this part, you guys want to turn it up this way, and then you guys want to put the F screws right here on top. Alright, so we have all four of them on now. So what you guys want to do next is get the letter C right here and put it on top. And you guys want to fit it into all the holes right here and push it all the way down. What you guys want to do next is to insert another one of these poles on top. So one for each one of these right here. Alright. You want to do the same thing for other ones as well. So once you guys finish this part, what you're going to do next is do the same thing. Put the F screws on top right here. Once you guys finish this part, you guys want to put letter B on top. So you just want to go like this. Make sure all four corners fit. Push it all the way down. So once you're done this part here, you guys want to put some more poles on top. And you should have four left, so you guys want to put all four on here. Alright, so once you guys finish setting this part up, you guys work to the next step. So for the next step here, you guys want to put this on top right here. And then you guys want to insert the letter G screw on each one. Alright, so for the next step, what you guys want to do is to insert this part right here. So you guys want to put this right here. And when you guys insert this one right here, you do want to make sure that the hole is on the bottom. So that way you can actually screw it in the bottom right here. And the screw that you've been using for this part right here is this J screw. So this tiny screw right here. So we want to use these tiny screws here, and we'll use the little accessory to actually screw it in. So the next part, you guys want to put this inside right here. Once you guys put this part in, you guys want to put the screws in the bottom here as well. And you want to use the same screw with the J screw. So once you guys finish that part, what you're going to do next is put the light bulb part right here. So what you're going to do now is to take off the cable and put it down here. Before you guys do that, you do want to unbuckle this part right here. Make it loose first. Alright, so you want to slide this screw right here. Alright, so put it in. And then you guys want to hang this cable down here into this little slot. Once you guys do that, then you guys want to pull this part back up and lock it back in. And then for this cable right here, you just want to attach it onto this part right here. And then you guys want to screw it in, make it tight. What we want to do now is to set up the lamp shade that we have right here. So we're going to take this out first. So this will be the bottom and this will be the top. And on the side right here, they do have a little sticky part. So that way you can stick the lamp shade on it. Alright, so right here we have the lamp shade. So basically you just want to open it up. And you see that this is basically what it looks like. So basically you want to take the top part and the bottom part using what I just showed you guys right here. So let's do that first. Alright, so we're done with the top part. Now we're going to do the bottom part. Alright, so now we finished both the top part and bottom part. Alright, so once you guys finish out the lamp shade right here, what you're going to do is loosen up this part right here. So what you're going to do is put this inside on top right here, and then you're going to put the K inside to lock it in. So obviously my arm cannot fit inside, so I will have to tilt it a little bit. So now we're done with that part as well. And then for the next part, we want to get the letter E right here, and we're going to put it on the side right here. So that way we can actually have a good wire management to actually manage the cable right here, so that way it's not all over the place. So I just want to put a few of them right here. So there should be two here, and two here. And these are adjustable too, so if it's not right now, you guys can always adjust it later on. And then what we want to do now is take out the light bulb and insert it inside. Alright, so we got it in. So I just want to move the cables over here and flip it in. Alright, so we got this part. We're going to do the same thing for this side as well. Alright, so you see that once we actually set it up right here, it actually looks a lot better. Once we have the cable all managed right here, it actually looks a lot more clean as well. So what I want to do now is to plug in the cable and test it out. Let me turn off the light. So we have the cable all plugged in. Let's give it a try and see when it actually works. Alright, so you see that this is light number 1. This is light number 2. And this is light number 3. So if you guys notice, there's like a yellowish color, and then there's like a bright white color, and then one in between. So that is basically how you guys use the light option right here. You guys can see it definitely looks pretty cool. If you guys want to turn it off, just press it one time. And obviously on the bottom part here, they do have some plug outlets. Let me bring the camera over so you can see what it actually looks like and how it works. Alright, so you can see that these are the plug outlets. So I just plugged in the cable right here. So let's give it a try and see when it actually works or not. So I'm going to plug in the iPhone cable here first. Alright, so that definitely does work. Let's try the other one right here. Alright, so that works as well. So you can definitely use this charging output to charge both devices at the same time. But let me try one more right here. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in this device right here. Alright, so you can see that that is charging as well. So you can definitely charge 2 devices at the same time, and you guys can also use this outlet at the same time, which is definitely super awesome. But basically, if you can see, this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up. So you definitely have the bottom section, the middle section, and the top section right here to put stuff if you guys want. And then the way how to design this part right here, if you guys want to, you can go like this. So you can definitely put your phone or your tablet hang like that, and also here as well. And if you guys want to charge a power bank or something else, you have this slot right here to put stuff. Or if you guys want to put like your phone or your wallet or something else, you definitely have that slot here to put your stuff as well. And then the way how to design this option right here is really cool. So that way the light bulb is here, and they have this little slot for you guys to pull the cord to turn off and on the light. If you guys can see. So definitely an awesome product and well-built product right here. Super awesome and super minimal. Very easy to set it up, if you guys can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys have a quick test of the product. You can definitely see that it is pretty easy to actually assemble it. If you guys follow all the instructions, it is pretty simple. Like for this product, they literally thought about everything. The fact that how they give you guys like a light bulb or floor lamp option. And they also give you guys the option as a shelf. And they have like the USB plugs and the power outlet as well. So if you guys want to charge like your phone, you can definitely put it on top of the shelf, which is pretty awesome. And if you see from the test, the light bulb actually works really well. You guys get the option to change the different setting on there as well. Whether you guys want like a bright white light or a warm yellow light, you definitely can change that on here as well. But that's basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want more and need warranties. Especially if you guys want everything that I mentioned on here, the fact that how it works as a floor lamp, a organizer shelf, and also the fact that how it has the USB and also plug outlet as well. If you guys want all of that, then you should definitely get this product. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.